Yung mga kalmot-kalmot pala ako dito. Erase. Oh well. Hey guys! Welcome back! So today we're gonna be doing this no foundation peachy look na perfect for beginners. And what makes it even more perfect is we're gonna be using very minimal products lang. And yung two main products na gagamitin natin is the Squad Cosmetics Peach Squad Palette and yung BLK Fresh na Creamy All Over Paint and Feeling Peachy. But before we proceed to the video, gusto ko lang sabihin na we have an ongoing giveaway wherein you can win 3 eyeshadow palettes from Squad Cosmetics and yung 4-piece brush set nila. Kaya if you're interested in learning how to do this look and then joining the giveaway, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, follow me on all my social media channels, tsaka leave a comment down below para magka-extra entries kayo. And now, let's go to the video. Yeah, super lapit. With any makeup look, the most important part is skincare. So, huwag nyo kakalimutan na mag-moisturize and gawin yung whole skincare routine nyo bago mag-makeup for any look to. So, kahit hindi kayo mag-primer, basta mag-moisturize kayo, it's fine. We're gonna be starting off with concealer. Magko-color correct ako ng under eyes ko and magko-conceal lang tayo ng konting blemishes sa face or mga discoloration. Dahil nga no foundation siya, we don't want super heavy concealer kasi mahahalata. See, nakikita niyo yung difference. It's very subtle, pero it did color correct my eyes. Hindi naman kasi kailangan na wala ka talagang eye bags because that's very unnatural also. Tapos, we're gonna get our concealer and then kukunin ko siya with my brush and I'm gonna be using it as my primer sa eyes. And then we're gonna set it very lightly with powder. Okay, now it's off to the fun part. We're gonna be doing the eyes. So for the eyes, we're gonna be using the Squad Cosmetics Peach Squad Eyeshadow Palette. I'm gonna be trying to use most of the shades, if not all. Hindi kaya all. Masyadong madami. Pero I'm gonna be trying to use a lot of them. For transition, we're gonna be using this shade. Tapos, lalagay lang natin siya all over the lids. So, when you apply eyeshadow, yung trick na ginagawa ko is I always apply it first dito sa labas. Kasi generally naman, yun yung part na gusto nating darker. Tapos, that's when I blend it in. Tapos, with the same brush, we're gonna be taking this shade. A little bit darker siya. Tapos, mas i-concentrate natin siya sa outer and sa crease mismo to add some depth. So, layering the colors, kahit na medyo similar sila, creates a more seamless blend. Tanggalin lang natin yung excess product. Tapos, let's blend it out. To further deepen the eyes, we're gonna be taking this reddish shade. Tapos, lalagay natin sa outer corners. Take out the excess again and then blend. Tapos, we're gonna take this darker orange shade and put it all over the lids. Actually, maganda na yung blend niya, but to further parang make the blend more seamless, kukunin natin tong darker shade sa tabi ng orange. Tapos, gagamitin natin siyang pang-blend doon sa darkest shade going to the orange shimmery shade. And then, we're taking the red shade, yung darkest shade again. Tapos, if-further deepen natin ulit siya. We're taking the light pink shade, tapos ilalagay natin siya sa center of the lids. So this creates yung parang glow sa gitna. So we're gonna take the transition shade. Pwede na natin siya i-mix with the second shade we used. Tapos lalagay lang natin sa lower lash line. What you want to do is connect it to the shadow sa lids para mukha silang connected. Then, I'm taking the brush we used sa taas and I'm just blending it out. No extra product to ah. Then, taking the red darkest shade, lalagay natin siya sa outer lash line. Tapos, we're gonna add a little pop din sa lower lash line. We're gonna take the orange shade, yung nilagay natin all over the lids. And we're gonna put it sa inner part ng lower lash line. Taking the brush again and then blend. Tapos, kukunin natin yung lightest shade, yung pink. Lalagay din natin siya sa middle ng lower lash line. Again, this would help to open the eyes. Tapos, almost done na sa eyes. For the inner corners, we're gonna take this shade, yung lightest orange shade, and just place it. Then, brush away lang natin yung fallout. Hindi naman malala yung fallout, it's fine. Tapos, we're just gonna curl our lashes and apply mascara. I'll be back. Yan, so we're done curling our lashes and putting on mascara. Tapos, ginawa ko na rin yung brows ko off-cam. Ngayon, we're gonna be doing our face makeup na. So, super easy lang ng face makeup kasi we're gonna be using the BLK Fresh Creamy All Over Paint for both the cheeks tsaka sa lips. So, the way I apply this is, nilalagay ko muna siya sa back ng hands ko again. And then, I use my fingers to apply. If you want to see a review of all the shades of this one, nung fresh na line nila, I have a review on that. So, I'll link it here, pati sa baba, sa description box. You can check it out after. Tapos, dadalhin din natin siya dito sa nose para parang sun-kissed, parang sunburn. Tapos, same with the lips, ganun din. Lalagay muna natin siya sa likod ng kamay, and then, apply it with our fingers. Kasi gusto ko na parang diffused lang, hindi yung full-on na ganun yung color. Yan, lagay lang natin yung excess dito. We can actually leave the face like this, okay na siya. But, we can go a little extra and put on highlight tsaka bronzer. So, I'm gonna do that. For highlight, ito lang. High points of the cheeks. Bam, bam, bam. And then, whatever's left, ginaganon ko sa nose ko. Kasi ayoko nung sobrang shiny nung tip nung nose. It's unnatural. So, hindi ko yung ginagawa. Tapos, nilalagay ko lang din dito. Tapos, kuha ng konti. And then, lagay ko din dito. Then, I also want to put here. Kasi parang natural. Di ba pag tumatama yung araw, gusto nating medyo nag-shine yan. Not in the middle. Sa gilid lang. Pero, very little amount. Tapos, we're gonna take a bronzer. I'm using Rimmel Stay Matte Bronzer na in Sun Bronze. Tapos, medyo gagawin natin siyang bronzer. Lalagay natin siya kung saan tayo usually nagko-contour. Tapos, biniblend lang natin from there. We can also use it to set the blush a little, yung cream blush. Para mas matagal siya mag-last. Then, isa-set lang natin yung face natin. I'm gonna be using the Elana Stay Fresh na setting spray. As usual. We're just gonna let it dry. Tapos pag ganyan, you can get a powder, kahit anong powder. Tapos dab lang natin siya sa parts ng face na gusto nating mag-stay matte. So, I'm applying this na hindi pa fully tuyo yung setting spray para mag-melt pa rin siya into the skin. Then, let's just check it. So, this is the final look. Super easy and sobrang dali. And, nagamit natin most of the shades. Actually, all of the shimmers dun sa palette ng Squad Cosmetics. And all I can say is, I now know and I understand kung bakit ito yung laging sold out na palette nila. And, kung bakit ito yung pinaka-rate by most YouTubers. So ngayon, I just want to remind everyone that we have an ongoing giveaway. I'll link it here sa cards and I'll link it down on the description box. If you want to join, check it out para makita nyo yung full mechanics ng giveaway. And there, I'll be ending my video. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Follow me on all my social media channels and I'll see you sa next video ko. Bye!